Royal Enfield is preparing to introduce a new adventure motorcycle that aims to take its capabilities to the next level. Recently spotted testing in Europe, the upcoming Himalayan 750 is set to feature a 750cc parallel twin engine, offering more power and performance suited for long-distance touring and off-road exploration. Developed from Royal Enfield's existing twin-cylinder platform, it is expected to produce around 55 PS of power and 65 Nm of torque. This engine configuration is designed to deliver smooth, refined output across a wide range of riding conditions. To match the performance upgrade, the Himalayan 750 will sit on a new chassis, with high-mounted exhausts for better off-road clearance. The prototype gets the familiar 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheels, most likely equipped with tube tires. Suspension duties are handled by an inverted front fork and a link-type adjustable monoshock at the rear, both likely to offer adjustability. Braking performance also sees a significant upgrade, with the test Neil spotted running dual front disc brakes paired with bi-brake calipers, a necessary addition to cope with the added weight and power. The test prototype includes a range of modern features such as a rectangular TFT display, likely replacing the circular unit found on the current Himalayan models. Full LED lighting is also present, enhancing visibility and giving the bike a more contemporary look. In terms of electronics, the Himalayan 750 is expected to come with basic rider aids such as traction control, switchable ABS, off-road riding mode, and possibly cruise control. Other features include a half fairing, adjustable brake and clutch levers, and an overall more rugged adventure tourer setup. Royal Enfield is expected to unveil a concept or near-production prototype at EICMA 2025 this November. The production version is anticipated to follow in late 2026. The Himalayan 750 promises to be a game-changer for Royal Enfield's adventure lineup, offering long-distance touring capability with modern tech and improved performance, while retaining the brand's signature character.